Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. The long-awaited vacation has finally started. You will have 2 weeks of relaxation in your favorite place, but you can't find suitable accommodation for the dates you need, and at an affordable price. High season, all booked. Familiar problem? You can see how we solved it in this video. An invitation link to Airbnb registration is in the video description. By registering through this link, you will save $56 for the first trip. Thassos, Greece, 6 months before the pandemic. We are on our way to our first apartments on Thassos. In the previous episode, you saw our short review of the Egnatia Motorway. We used this motorway to get to Keramoti from Komotini. And our ferry boat trip to Thassos. If you haven't seen this video yet, the link is above. It was August, high season on Thassos. We planned to stay 2 weeks on the island, but I couldn't find any budget apartments for the whole period, even though I tried to book on Airbnb 3 weeks before our trip. This is how I solved this problem. Airbnb hosts usually have gaps between stays in 3 to 5 days. I reduced the number of days in the search and found 2 different apartments for an affordable price for the entire period. This turned out to be a good decision and made our vacation diverse. Our stay in Thassos can be divided into 2 parts. Our first apartments on the beach, just 2 minutes from the sea, and the second ones high in the mountains. Both our apartments were in Scala Sotiros area. In this video you will see our beach apartment. We stayed there for 4 nights. Write in comments please, how you solve such problem usually.
It was really nice and cozy apartment 2 minutes from the beach. Authentic Greek atmosphere. Lovely garden with flowers and palm trees all around the house. There was a big balcony from which you can enjoy the most amazing view of the sea. You could also see it from almost every window of the house, including the bathroom. There was everything you need for a comfortable stay and relaxing vacation. The host was super nice, sweet and helpful. We had the pleasure of watching fantastic sunsets every evening. We very much enjoyed our time there.
Looking forward to seeing you in my next video. You will see our second apartment on Thassos, which we booked on Airbnb. Write comments please, give the video a big thumb up, subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notification every time I upload a new video. Thanks, see you, we remember moments, cheers, enjoy life.